We are getting ready to head out on our first trip. We're about to pick it up. Go that way a little bit. Okay, so what would you give the hooking up and getting ready to go process on the fun scale of 1 to 10?
Negative numbers count? Because we're there.
It wasn't that much fun. Not allowed to talk about weather. What? What?
Backed it in right the very first time. Angela is doing what Angela does, whatever that is. We slept like crap the first morning. Just bed was uncomfortable, just not used to it. A lot of noises that we weren't used to. So, day one. Oh my gosh. So there's this guy that's camping over on the other side of us, and I swear he sneezed 35 times in a row. Like, to the point I was annoyed at first, and now it's just funny. Just ridiculous. Oh my gosh, there it goes again.
Could you imagine sneezing that many times in a row?
No, it might be amazing. I love sneezing.
I would get a hernia.
Are you okay?
I think that bug flew up my nose. It went like straight up into my brain, and I think it's still there. I think I sucked a gnat up in my nose.
You know what happens is they lay eggs in there.
Shut up. I really don't.
So, second night of sleeping actually was much better. Slept a lot better until about 4 o'clock.
Just woke up and it's 4 a.m. And how cold is it in here?
53. Woke up and made a rookie mistake in that I kind of forgotten to put the heater on, and it was 52 degrees in here. So I just knew Angela and Liam would be freezing to death. So I got up to turn it on. Well, had to then move a bunch of stuff out of the way to make sure that the vents were going to blow right. And then we couldn't go back to sleep for at least 2 more hours. So definitely an adjustment period, but we'll see. You see the value I bring to these videos? It's really big.
I think the worst part of the whole thing was sleeping the first 2 nights, figuring out the heater, figuring out the vents. When a 200-pound man walks around a camper, it just like shakes the whole thing, and so it's kind of hard to go back to sleep.
That's the best compliment you've ever given me.
Is that you weighed 200 pounds?
Yes.
He weighed 140.
I weighed 140 when we got
Soaking
married.
wet when we got married, so he's happy to be a 200-pound man now. Think we can do this cross country?
Well, I think it'd be a lot better going cross country. I mean, it's...
Yeah, we're at Horseshoe Bend, so like we're excited to be sitting out here looking at the Colorado mountains, the redwoods, the beach. That'll be better.
That'll be fun.
But we
We'll
needed
enjoy
to
that.
figure out what we're doing here first. So our plan of action is to get out of our house into this thing full time in 2 weeks. Then we have a full hookup set up here locally where we're gonna stay when we're home. And then we're probably gonna plan a couple more small trips and maybe try the next one by ourselves. We have to everyone gives their RV a name. I think old timey names are best, like Susan. What are you doing?
I'm fixing a squeaky wheel.
That's not even a squeak. This
You
man and
hear
his...
that?
I don't hear anything.
You hear that?
That's what's driving you crazy?
Yeah.
This man and noises. I mean, no one would ever notice it.
Oh, I noticed it. Right away. Nothing old WD-40 can't fix.
Jeez.
You didn't know you had a handyman for a husband?
Oh. That WD-40, huh? Does that make you a handyman?
Yes, it's about the only thing I can do.
Jeez.
That duct tape. We'd like to thank our sponsors.
Would you
WD-40.
stop it? Oh my gosh.
You hear that squeak? Nope.
Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl. Can we put that on our
we
channel?
Can't put that on there. Oh my gosh, it's so inappropriate.
Well, this is Papa Hates Camping. I'm starting my old YouTube channel. I'll be on Twitter and all those other stupid yuppie things.
What's your channel gonna be called?
Papa Hates Camping. We will show you black tank incidents that you can't believe. Always want to glove up first. These hands could have played the violin, but I emptied a black tank once without gloves on. I had no more cuticles.
Oh.